if you have a graph and you're trying to find the equation of a line on a graph, once you have that line drawn, it's actually pretty easy to find the equation of that line as long as you can find 2 points on that line. You can find any 2 points. The farther apart they are, the more accurate your equation will be. And even easier is if one of your points is the y-intercept of the graph, like this one is. This is the point 0, 0 here. So this point right here is actually on the y-axis here, making it our y-intercept. So if we write down the coordinates of the 2 points, I'm choosing 2 points that are far away from each other. One of them has x value of 0 and y value of 30. That's the y-intercept. The other point here has an x value of 44 and a y value of 40. Okay, so once I have those 2 points, it's basically I have 2 points. I can find the slope between those 2 points. Slope is rise over run. And the rise, in this case, how far up do I go? Well, sometimes it's pretty easy to just count them. And I can count up from, I'm going up from 30 to 40, I'm going to do a rise of 10. But a lot of times it's hard to see that on the graph. So how do I do that? I take one of the y values and subtract the other y value, the difference between them, 40 minus 30. And that gives us that 10 that we just counted up from 30 to 40 was up 10. All right, and then I have to do the same thing for the run for the x value. I'm going from 0 to 44. Well, that's a run of 44. Sometimes it's easy to just count them that way. But again, there's a formula that I can always do. I'm going to take if I did this y value minus this y value, then I should take this x value minus this x value. So I'm going to do 44. It's the difference between those two x values, 44 minus 0, and that gives us 44. So our slope of this line is 10 over 44. Can we reduce that? Yes, these are both divisible by 2, and I can get 5 over 22. Okay, so now I'm pretty close to writing my equation. I have my slope. I just need my y-intercept, and I already know that. That was this point here, was my y-intercept, was 30. So if I put it into the formula for y equals to mx plus b, that is the slope-intercept form. The slope goes where the m is, the y-intercept goes where the b is. My equation is going to be y equals the slope, which is 5 over 22, don't forget my x there, plus the b, my y-intercept is the b, plus 30. There is my equation.